I am a member of Helping Hand Society Pacific. Children are future pillars of our country. We should try our best to develop the futures of children around us. Whole country is locked down due to COVID-19, so children cannot go outside in search of books. Therefore, to enhance the interest of children towards studies, one step has been taken by H2 S2. Let's see some beautiful events as well.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
ओडिशा 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 केडी सुंदर राईज मोर केडी मिठा मो भाषा केडी सुंदर राईज
हाँ डॉक्टर तुम्हें मामा बड़ बाटी कह
मु बड़ा हेले इंजीनियर हो
तुम्हें मामा तू बड़ हेले कौन हबू टीचर तुम्हें मामा
छोट मोर गाटी छोट मोर गाटी भूगोल पोथी पतरे पछे भूगोल पोथी पतरे पछे नथाउ तार नाटी छोट मोर गाटी छोट मोर गाटी